Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get songs from Suno AI on phone. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser and then go to the official Suno AI website. Once on the Suno AI website, click the Create, which is this music button, to begin creating a song. Enter the song description or any specific details you want to include. After entering the song details, click on the Create button to let Suno AI generate the song for you. Wait until the generation process is complete. Once the song is fully generated, locate it in your Suno AI account. Click on the three dots next to the song title to open a menu, then select the download option. In the download menu, you'll have options to download either the video or audio version of the song. Select video if you want the video format, or choose audio for the audio-only version. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file on your device. Verify that the downloaded song matches your expectations and plays correctly. You've successfully downloaded a song from Suno AI using this updated and working method. So that's basically how you can get songs from Suno AI on phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.